This protective pad bumper on the bottom of this chair is worn out over, it's been about 30 years if I remember correctly. Just going to peel off that old one and then get off as much of this adhesive as I can using my thumbnail. Got this all cleaned up using the thumbnail and kind of just my thumb, just rubbing off that adhesive. I've got a new bumper. Peel off the backing, line that up right in the middle, and push that down really well. And hopefully be good for another 30 years. And got that done. Now I'm going to do the other 3 legs. They're wore out also. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.